So you might be in a situation where your applications are crashing on iOS 27, meaning you're going through opening up your applications and they're randomly crashing. Now, the big thing you're going to have to remember here is that this is a developer beta. iOS 27 currently is in a developer beta, so it's not officially supposed to be good, and there's going to be lots of random problems that happen. So the main thing you can do here is to go through and keep your iPhone updated. So go inside of your iPhone settings right up here, scroll down until you find this general option, which is right over here. Click on software update, and all you're going to want to do is just to update your iPhone. So go through, try updating your iPhone as often as you can, and that's probably going to end up fixing the problem for you. So try doing that, and for a lot of people, that's probably going to be the way that's going to be fixing it. Now, if that doesn't end up doing it, the next thing I'd recommend doing is try restarting your iPhone. So go through, hold the volume up button and the side button, slide the power off, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem too. Once again, most of the time, just doing those simple things can probably end up fixing it for a lot of people. Now, you also want to see which application is crashing. If it's a random application, if it's all applications, then that's one thing. But if it's specific applications, try making your way over into your app store like this and finding that application. So find that application, and then you want to see if that application has an update for it. So sometimes those applications can have updates. Try updating those applications, and hopefully that ends up fixing the problem for you as well. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.